Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to replace your LCD screen with a touch on your Huawei MediaPad T3 tablet with 8-inch screen. So if you need any parts or tools, you can buy them directly from my video description link, and please note this will also support my channel. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So first of all, you need to separate the frame from the LCD. So basically the back cover, this metal back cover, is unibody, so you will have to use some plastic tool or whatever, and then make a small gap. And then after you make the small gap, you just go around and don't be rude, just go carefully and slow. Because the LCD screen is connected to the motherboard, so don't damage any cable. So slowly lift up the LCD screen, carefully. The flex cable is attached, and then you will see there is a small metal piece on the top of the connector. So first remove the screw, and then you will have to remove the metal piece, but don't forget to unplug the battery first, so don't damage anything with a shortcut or whatever. I mean short circuit. So you will have to remove the small flex cable here, because this is not fixed in the screen. You will need it for your new screen. So slowly lift the flex cable, because a small piece of adhesive glue is attached to the screen, and the flex cable is on it, so just carefully. So as you will see, I will attach the old flex cable in a new screen just now, and then test it. So let's see if this new screen is working without any issues. Please test it before you glue it into the frame. So looks like everything is working fine. Touch is working. Should be alright. Okay, let's turn off the tablet. So now we are going to separate the plastic frame around the old LCD screen, because the new screen just came without the small frame. So yes, we will need this bezel, this plastic bezel around for the new screen. So first of all, we're going to reheat everything a little bit. We will speed up the video here on this place. I'm using here around 200 degrees, so around 350-360 Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to remove the frame, trying here with a small you know, this whatever separating tool for separating the LCD screens, this metal wire. But I think that it will be better with a craft tool knife anyway, because this is not like holding too much. You just have to go around the corners, and I mean around the frame for about 2 to 4 centimeters. You will see it's pretty easy after. You have to always be carefully, don't break this bezel, because it's important after to put the new screen inside the metal frame. So I'm heating up here again. So you see, just go around and round. So this is the part where I get a little bit yeah, angry or whatever, you know. It's just that I'm not like into this removing the sticky glue tape and stuff. Takes too much time, and yeah, but you have to do what you have to do, right? So basically remove all the adhesive glue from the old plastic bezel, from the plastic frame, clean it afterwards, and that's it. So I'm using here a little bit of alcohol to clean the frame, so the adhesive glue will stick better after. There is a small piece around the front camera, small, like a foam or something, just a protector, and I will put this on the new screen again, on the new glass on the back side. So don't forget the small metal protector for the speaker. So this grill, metal grill, just remove it from the old glass and put it on a new glass, on a new screen. Okay, so now we are going to put the glue on the glass around and round, and then after you just take the plastic bezel and put it on it. So if you're asking which glue I'm using, this is the E8000, and you can buy this glue directly from my description link on the bottom. It's pretty good, still, after it's strengthened enough, it's still a little bit soft, so it's very good to use for repairing your phones and screens. So now you put this plastic bezel on it, stick it, go around with your fingers, and then after I will use these plastic clips, plastic holders, just to hold it better. You will see. So I'm putting on each corner one. Just be sure you put it so the one side is pushing the glass on the top, and on the other side is pushing the plastic bezel in between. So I mean, like on the other side. You know what I mean, right? So after it's done and connected, I'm leaving this for about at least 1 hour, I would say, because the glue needs to get hard, at least like 30 minutes, but to get this really strengthness, it needs around 24 hours. So, but after 1 hour you can assemble the LCD again. So now connect the screen and take the small metal piece, put it on. Also connect the battery, don't forget the battery, and the screws. Screw this stuff together, and then you're good to go. Okay, looks like we are almost done.